As floods strike, getting eyes on the ground fast can mean the difference between life and loss. This is Tiger Rescue. 2 operators, 1 shared picture. Our augmented reality interface renders a live 3-dimensional sand table, a holographic model of the terrain overlaid on the real world, visible to both responders simultaneously. As the autonomous fleet fans out across the search zone, each vehicle's position and feed are reflected in real time. When the computer vision pipeline finds an object of interest, in our case dogs left behind during evacuations, a detection alert appears directly in the AR view anchored to that location on the terrain model. The operator can then review active detections, assess priority, and if needed, manually reposition any of the vehicles in the fleet to get a closer look at the situation or improve coverage. Autonomous by default and human controlled when it counts. More awareness, less risk, and faster responses. Tiger Rescue is here to save lives.